Hello friends, thinking about running the Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch 2? Well, while the Switch is a closed platform by default, there is a way to run Android and access the Play Store, but it's not official. So you can't install the Play Store on stock Nintendo software. You'll need to install Android OS on your Switch 2 using a micro SD card. This process involves modding and is not supported by Nintendo. You do this on your own risk, and before anything, back up your save data through your Nintendo account's Cloud Sync. You'll be working outside the normal OS, and there's always a chance of data loss. And after that, go to the SwitchRoot website or GitHub and find a compatible Android ROM built for Switch 2 if available. This community is usually a bit behind official updates, so Android 11 or 12 is most likely. Use a PC to flash the Android ROM onto a high-speed micro SD card using software like Balena Etcher, then boot the Switch 2 into recovery mode with a payload injector to load Android. Once Android boots, sign in with your Google account and open the pre-installed Play Store, just like you would on Android tablet. And that's pretty much how it's done. Just run the Google Play Store by using this custom firmware. If this helped, like and subscribe, and of course, comment down below if you've used this custom firmware. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.